Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. Today we're going to go over to another farm. That's the same one I was doing the hay lofts on. And I got to cut a man door in one of the sliding doors. Just so they don't have to keep opening those doors throughout the winter. Just make it easy access for them. Before we get over and get that going, I'll show you some footage of bringing those chickens home the other day. We got like these 3 new chickens that were gave to us because the woman was moving, and where she was moving she wasn't allowed to have any chickens. So I went and got the chickens, and I come back, I had them in a cardboard box, and I was walking to the coop and the bottom of the cardboard box fell open and the chickens come out. So here's footage of that, and I'll catch you guys on the other side. All right guys, we got these chickens here. They're in this cardboard box, and we're gonna go ahead and put them in coop and see how they go. I don't even know what they look like because the woman already had them in the box the time I got there. So we'll see what they're like.
Oh my
It's 23 of them.
There is?
Yeah.
Rip off.
There's 5 of them.
Oh. Holy crap. Dad.
Have that one.
Dad. Where's the other one? Ooh, chicken explosion. Daddy, the other one's gonna get loose. Take this one, he's scared. Okay, the other one's in there. He's in there, Daddy. Buddy, no, buddy. Oh, there they are. They kind of look like the other ones.
Yeah. I don't even know which ones they are now. Yeah, I couldn't believe that box broke open like that. It was hilarious. Those chickens must have been pretty tame because they just sat there and we just picked them up and threw them in the coop. So not a big deal, but I was just carrying them and they just fell right out. That's crazy. But anyways, before we get over to the project here, I got to bend some J-channel to go around the door. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done, and I'll meet you guys over at the barn. All right, this is the brake I'm gonna be using, and I'll put a link to the video up in the corner to how to use this brake. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those J-channels bent up and get over to that barn. Looks like a J, that's why they call it J-channel. All right, a couple of pieces of wood, and I'll meet you guys over at the barn. finished product. Didn't turn out too bad.